Crap, stupid lighting. Down the way. Anyways, hello buddy, 065 here, and I'm going to be doing unboxing today on the Mars. What the? Gosh dang it! How do you turn these things off anyways?
It's from the inside.
Oh, it's from the inside? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. It's a lot different. Okay, so we're going to be unboxing Starrior. That drawing got me. Yes. Oh my god.
So we can see both of us?
I'm pretty sure it can, but just that the light back there is what kills it.
Chris,
Yeah, it sees Chris.
Chris.
Man,
Yeah,
this just depresses me right now.
Gosh dang it, Short. Don't be depressed. Don't be depressed when you have friends.
We gotta make this video random. We gotta make dinosaurs walk by.
Gosh dang it! You're supposed to be unboxing.
Well, now it's gonna be a random video.
It's not
Great.
unboxing anymore, boy.
Nope, it's not. Kill me now. Right. Oh dang. Okay, so here's mine. Oh my god!
But, put it on the...
No, I just
It won't work on the carpet.
Okay.
Trust me. Try it.
Here,
No,
let me just do
there's
a
hard
quick-
floor right here.
Quick pause. Alright, back from the pause. Now, gonna unbox the Mars Turbotron. Another one that joined got me. Oh my god! Really? Gosh dang it.
I don't even think all my others have a squishy head like that.
Nope. Probably it's because it's so warm from being in my luggage bag for so
I
long.
think it's just different
Are you in a
material.
luggage bag?
Yeah.
I've got army men with heads like that.
Holy crap. Oh my god, this thing is so big.
Not really.
Okay,
When
sure.
Chris took it out, he was like, whoa, that's small.
Because Chris is a tall boy. A very tall boy.
There's someone that's already there.
I sure it's something
Whatever.
like
Bitch, stay.
Bitch, I say stay in there.
Bitch, I say stay.
I say what I want to say.
Guys, look at Kevin's Sonic.
Yay!
This is the one he's given to Chris.
God damn it.
No, it's not.
Yes. You always ask if you can have a Sonic.
Kevin, can I tell you?
Gosh dang it. Yeah, it needs repairs. Gosh dang it. Yeah, that gear's like bad in it. Oh dang.
Boys,
Hello.
supper's ready.
Well,
All right.
we'll be up in a bit.
Yep. I don't know, the gun doesn't roll out. Oh dude, this one actually is walking.
Chris wants to trade. Are you sure?
That is so cool. Thanks, Jordan.
Yep.
Oh, that was your
You're not welcome.
Hope
God
you like
dang.
yours too.
What?
I hope you like yours too.
I said thank you.
Okay, I know. I hope you like yourself though.
No, I hate
Oh,
it.
thanks for watching, guys, and see ya.